Good morning. We're going to now do the lower level of 142 Fallingbrook Road. Come with me. I hope you've caught the other videos of the different levels. So I'm going to turn you and we are going to take a look at the floating staircase matching the upper level. We have the second laundry room. I guess I'd consider this the main laundry room. You're going to have, I guess we could call it the nanny suite, but you know what? I have a 19-year-old son and he'd be more than happy to have his own bathroom downstairs, his own room, his own closet, lots of space. There's also a powder room down here as well. The floors are radiant heated. The entire basement level is radiant heated. You have your own kitchen. I would make that a gym. What a great area as you watch the large 70-inch screen TV with the built-in cabinetry and a fireplace. You will have your own entrance if you wish. There's a key to this door and you'll walk out to the upper level. You can't beat it. So, hopefully you have taken a look at the other levels because I'm going to tell you now, this house will not last.